The cost for food just keep rising, going up and up and up. Don't matter how much money you see spent in these stores, you come out with two little bag going home. Oh my goodness, I don't know, but I'm telling you, this is crazy. Guys, it is so early. It's 7:20 a.m. But I got up early to do my groceries, guys, before the kids wake up. So I usually like to do my grocery shopping like very early in the morning because I go to like more than one places to shop. Like I shop around because I find that flour sometimes can be like 18.99 at one store, and then you go to another store and it's like 9.99. So I'm starting here at Walmart, and then I'm gonna go to Food Basic and Costco as well. Let me take up my list, guys. These tomatoes look so good, guys. Let me see. Yeah, I don't like them when them too soft. Alright. So I usually write a list so that I can stay on track, so I don't go too much over my budget or go off track of what I really, really need in the house. Okay. Because these prices are so high. I just want to stay on budget. Okay. Guys, I'm trying to pick some bananas, but these bananas look like they've been abused, honestly. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go with these ones. What I don't see is carrot. Maybe we have to go check for it at a different store. But I'm gonna get some ham because the kids like these. Okay, we're gonna get the honey ham. It's good to make sandwiches for school for the kids. So guys, we cut out juice box and I'm hoping to cut out white bread, but I'm not gonna do it all at once. It's too drastic for the for the kids. So I'm still buying white bread this week, but I'm thinking of trying to eat much healthier starting this year. Okay. How much for these buns? And I think these one are two. Oh yeah, 2.97. Okay, not bad. Okay, guys. Now I'm in the Caribbean aisle. Oh God, in here looks scanty. These peanut punch, they look different. Why? Okay, I'm definitely gonna get my hot pepper sauce. You guys know me. While the counter didn't look scanty. Gotta get my coconut milks. Boy, why them so lean up? Yeah. And I'm going to get some cock soup. Definitely. They don't have any pumpkin, but usually I mix it with pumpkin for when I'm doing my soup. I'm gonna get some mackerel. Now I'm in the cereal aisle. I'm not gonna be getting too much cereal. Even though the kids eat like crazy. Um, for the 2 weeks that they were off school. Like, I don't know. Like, there's absolutely nothing in the cupboard and nothing in the fridge. I felt like they ate 5 times more than if they were at school. Like, honestly, like every minute, somebody hungry. Jojo likes hot chocolate too. And I usually use the hot chocolate to mix my coffee. Okay, so let me see. I usually take this little tea. Oh yeah, here it is. Pomegranate and raspberry. I love this tea. It's so nice because I'm always drinking mint tea. You know, if you're from Jamaica, you definitely drink mint tea, right? I'm only gonna get this one because I have mint tea at home. I have chai and I have ginger. Yeah, so this is good for now. Okay, this I'll have snacks. Um, as I said, we're not doing juice box anymore. I'm cutting out juice box completely for school. Just water and yogurt drink for them now. So, okay, this is yogurt strawberry flavored bars. I'm gonna try this one for them. Um, see, let's try one first and see if they like it, and then we can, like. So I'm trying to introduce some new stuff to them, or just trying to change it up a little bit, because if they have the same thing over and over, it gets boring and tired to eat, right? Get some of these. They love pasta as well, so I'm gonna get some pasta sauce and get some pasta as well. Okay, so they actually like this one here, the little bow tie one. So I'm gonna get this for them. Okay, I'm getting popcorn because Mickey is a big popcorn fan. And I'm gonna get this one for Josiah. He seemed to like the snack onion. Oh, this one is sour cream. See it here. Yeah, onion ring. Okay. So Walmart actually sells alcohol. These and we like these flavored beers. So this one is apple, and then blackberry. Okay. Okay. So here I'm going to get some fabric softener. Make the clothes smell so nice. I'm gonna get this resolved because I have quite a bit of clothes that need some stain removing. Okay, so I'm gonna get this scrubbing bubble for the bathroom. Definitely. Most of my other cleaning supplies, I usually get them at the dollar store. Like, yeah, yeah, because there's no point in getting something for so much money when you could get it at the dollar store. It does the same job, at least to me. I like to get these box pasta as well because they're quick and easy. You just throw it in the oven and they're ready. Need to get some fries. So I did get some big box juices because I will give them juice with their dinner, but pretty much that's it. Okay, guys, so I don't know. Usually I put the Dove soap, but it's not here. Maybe I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try some cherry and chica milk or whatever. Okay, all right. Yeah, I mean, I really like them. They're so up there. Mm, I'm gonna get this one. All right. Okay, we're getting there. We're almost finished, guys. All right, guys. Okay, I'm gonna head to the cash now. Mm. I like that I can see my subtotal here. No, it's going up, and they're still scanning. Oh my goodness, the shorter time. I went inside my river got so it's cold out here, guys. Okay. So usually I get my ground provision, and what that means is like yam, sweet potato, Irish potato, and stuff, green banana, stuff like that. I like to get these at Food Basic, even though these sweet potatoes not looking too wonderful. But yeah, this is where I usually get my ground food and stuff. You know us Jamaican, I go cook with dumpling and with banana, sweet potato, yam, and all these things. Especially when I'm doing soup, these are the ingredients that I put in my soup. And baby blessing now eats from the pot, so I definitely get her Irish potatoes so we can mash it and with our gravy. Okay, guys, so this is all that I got today. I know it might not look like much, but trust me, we spent a lot of money, okay, because the cost for food is really high. And as I said before, you go and you come home with two little bags and you spend over like $600 and stuff like that. And you pack them out so quickly, so fast, you're just like, oh, that was quick. We're in Costco. Mickey got chips. You eating chips, Mickey? Yeah. So I'm really here for this, the tissue. Okay, Mickey, you have to small up yourself. Okay, we got grapes.